Hi guys! Welcome back to the channel. Nandito ako ngayon sa Hive Hotel in Quezon City para sa third quarterly workshop namin for the Liquid Waste Management Cluster under the Operational Plan for the Manila Bay Coastal Strategy or OPMBCS. So tara, samahan niyo ako as I give you a quick tour my stay here. So gamit ko itong keycard to enter the room. Here's a quick look sa hallway. Medyo madumi siya kasi parang naging tambakan itong nasa ibaba ng corridor. Pero yung lights, ang ganda ng vibe. Plus may nice view ka rin from the window. Pagpasok ko naman, first thing I noticed is the basic amenities. Merong bottled water, mini fridge, coffee and tea, at syempre may telephone at TV na din. The room has good air conditioning and it's perfect for resting kasi may dalawang twin-sized beds at sofa pa for extra comfort. Now, let's check out the bathroom. Kumpleto din dito. May hair dryer, hand soap, bath soap, and shampoo. And of course, meron silang hot and cold shower para mas relaxing yung stay lalo na after the whole day of workshop. Tara, punta naman tayo sa workshop area. Bababa tayo ng elevator papunta sa conference room where ongoing ang workshop. The Mandamos agencies are here presenting their accomplishments for the quarter. Yung mga agencies na hindi ko na-capture sa video includes the Environmental Management Bureau, NCR, Calabarzon and Region 3, Department of the Interior and Local Government, Laguna Lake Development Authority, and Pasig River Coordination and Monitoring Office. Pero na-feature naman dito ang EMB Central Office, Department of Environment and Natural Resources Manila Bay Coordinating Office, Department of Health, Philippine Ports Authority, Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources ng Department of Agriculture, Philippine Coast Guard, Maritime Group ng Philippine National Police, Metropolitan Water Works and Sewerage System, kasama na ang kanilang concessionaires, Manila Water Company, and Maynilad Water Services. Lahat sila may updates on their Manila Bay efforts.
So overall, masasabi ko na okay ang service ng Hive Hotel. The crew was very welcoming and fast sa mga requests. Pagdating sa room, mabilis din sila mag-refill ng mga consumables. Medyo maliit lang yung parking nila, so yung ibang kotse na nakapark na lang along the road. But other than that, satisfactory ang stay. So thanks for watching guys. If you enjoyed the quick review of Hive Hotel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment kung ano yung mga napansin nyo dun sa mga pinanood nyo. And kung saan nyo gustong magstay sa next trip nyo. See you in the next video. Bye!